Hi there, my name is Finlay Ross. I'm a crop manager here at Kettle Produce. I look after broccoli and cauliflower production. We're cutting broccoli here in a field in Fife. We're into our autumn varieties now that are better suited to the lower light levels, the higher rainfall and the cooler temperatures that we experience in the back end of the year. We've had a good broccoli season. It's been a fantastic effort from everyone at Kettle Produce and especially the crews out in the fields who have been cutting fantastic looking broccoli with very nice standard. We're already well into the process of organising everything for the 2025 broccoli crop, and I look forward to getting out into the fields of Scotland then.